we've got another Masonry IQ tutorial video where we're going to cover how to build basic patterns inside of Masonry IQ. To get started, you're going to go to Masonry IQ and Plugins and click Masonry Wall Types. This will generate a new window where you'll be able to create your masonry walls. Select Create Masonry Assembly and name it. You're prompted to add in shapes so that you can build your pattern. This will take you to a new window where you can hit Create Pattern and name the pattern name. Hit OK and it will take you to the Masonry Unit Library where you can browse the various CMU and brick shapes that you can use in your design. Narrow your search down by type, width, height, or length. Select the block to get a 3D view of it. If it's what you want to use, add it to your palette. Continue to add more shapes so what you are considering to use in your pattern. Now the shapes you added are available in the column for Stretcher Unit. Select the shape that you want to use from the drop-down and it will appear in the 3D viewer. Adjust bond shift by selecting from one of the options in the drop-down.
For this example, we will select a 1/2 running bond. When selected, Masonry IQ gives us a message box indicating that we need to add the proper shape to our list so it builds the pattern correctly at the corner. It takes us to the proper shape to be added and the software builds the corner out properly, ensuring best design practice for masonry.
Continue to add more rows by hitting the plus sign and change the shapes by just selecting from the drop-down in the Stretcher Unit column. New shapes will be adjusted and new corner units will be recommended by Masonry IQ so that you can design properly with different shapes. Pair up courses together to create groups to have repeating patterns and set those heights for how high that pattern will repeat. Just highlight the courses that you want to combine, right-click, and then combine them. Now that you've built your pattern, you can now replace the wall materials in Revit with what we created in Masonry IQ. To do this, select the wall you want to use, go to Edit Type, Edit Structure, find the wall material that you want to replace, and browse the class to find Masonry IQ. Select the wall assembly you want to use, and then hit OK. Now to see the pattern added to our Revit model, go to Masonry IQ and select Analyze Bond. Once done running, our pattern will be added to our Revit model and we can see everything that Masonry IQ has added there, with our pattern, our layout, cuts, movement joint locations, and all the benefits of seeing how the masonry functions with our current Revit design. Now you know how to build basic patterns inside of Masonry IQ. For more tutorial videos and how-tos, visit our website at 3diqinc.com.